Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our exercise 10, 11 and 12. Before starting the exercise, I want to explain something about the subtraction. I know that you have previous knowledge about that, but here something important I'm going to explain, that is the larger number from which we subtract the other number is called minuend. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the result of subtraction is called the difference. So now we are going to start our exercise 10, subtraction without borrowing. It is very simple, you know that, but you have to identify which is minuend, which is subtrahend. And when we subtract both the number, you will get the difference. Question number 10 is also same, and question number 11 to 16 is also same. So you have to do that one by yourself in your classwork copy. See the question number 17. Fill the missing number. Here you have to fill the missing number. Simple. 7 minus 5, that is 2. 6 minus 0, that is 6. Now here minuend is given and difference is given. You have to find the subtrahend. In this case you have to subtract 7 minus 4, that is 3. Then same thing here, 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. And 9 minus 2, 7. Question number 18 is also just same. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. And 8 minus 2, 6. So we are going to start our exercise 11, subtraction with borrowing. Question number 1 to 12 you have to do in your book by yourself. We are going to start with question number 13. Here I have solved the question. You have to solve it by yourself in your classwork copy. Question number 14 to 16 is also simple subtraction, you can do by yourself. Now here question number 17, subtract 9,999 from 17,777. Here I have subtracted and our answer will be 7,778. Now question number 20 is find the difference between 6,666 and 10,000. When we subtract it, we'll get the answer 3,334. Question number 21 is also same. Find the difference between this number and this number. So first we have to identify which one is the greater number. So 51,000 is the greater. So first we have to write the 51,007 and then 37,608. See the question number 22. That's it also same. You can subtract it and you will get the answer. In this question, you have to attempt two questions. First addition and then subtraction. Subtract the sum of 35,628 and 78,756 from 1,23,070. First, two numbers we have to add. When we add the numbers, we get the answer 1,14,384 and we have to subtract this. After subtracting it, we get the final answer 8,686. In this question again you have to add and subtract, but here last two numbers you have to add. When we add last two numbers, we get the answer 2,35,252. It is greater from 1,95,876. Now we have to subtract this and we get the final answer 39,376. Now here number is given in words. You have to subtract 16,000 from 510,000. 510,000 when we convert into numbers, it will 50,000. And first number is 16,000. So 16,000 will subtract from the 50,000 and our answer will be 34,000. B1, 5,000 1800s from 7,400. 7,400 is greater. First we have to write 7,000 plus 400, that is 7,400, and here 5,000 plus 1,800, that is 6,800. When we subtract both the number, our answer will be 600. 16 lakh 19,000 from 34 lakhs. First, we have to write 34 lakh, then 16 lakh 19,000. That is 16 lakh 19,000. When we subtract both the number, we get the answer 17 lakh 81,000. What number is 2,897 less than 16,000? When we subtract both the number, our answer will be 13,103. And what number should be added to 37,654 to get 1 lakh? Again, we have to subtract and we get the answer 62,346. The thing you have to notice here in less than or added. In both the case, we have to subtract. What number should be subtracted from 22,222 to get 9,999? Again, what should be subtracted? So we have to subtract and we get the answer 12,223. Now we are going to start exercise 12. It is word sum. There are 48,213 bags of rice in a godown. If 19,425 bags are taken out, how many bags remain there in godown? First, you have to write total number of bags, then number of bags taken out. Then we subtract both the number, we get the answer number of bags remain, that is 28,788. The population of a city is 4,32,105. If the number of males is 22,98,786, find the number of females in the city. It is very simple. First, you have to write the total population of the city. Then, after the number of males, when we subtract both that, we get the answer the number of females, that is 1,33,319. In an all-Indian examination, 2,87,300 candidates appeared. Out of these, 97,435 failed. How many candidates passed? Very simple. First, we have to write the number of candidates appeared, then number of students failed. Subtract both the number. The number of students passed, that is 1,89,865. In a year 2015, a company produced 1,03,410 scooties. Next year, the production was decreased by 19,726. How many scooties were produced in the year 2016? So, in the year 2015, the company produced the scooties, that is 1,03,410. And the next year, the production was decreased by, we have written there. So, when we subtract both the number, we get the final answer, that is 83,684. The sum of two numbers is 70,350. If one of them is 29,672, find the other number. Very simple. Sum of two numbers we have written here. One of them is written there. When we subtract, we will get the second number. That is 40,678. Question number 6 and 7 is also simple subtraction. Do by yourself. Keep in your mind more than or less than. In both the case, we have to subtract. The sum of three numbers is 1 lakh 10. If two of them are 37,675 and 28,948, find the third number. For finding the first, we have to add first number and the second number. When we add, sum of two numbers will be 66,623. Now we have to subtract this from the sum of three numbers. That is, when we subtract, we get the third number, that is 33,387. From a wire 30,000 meter long, two pieces measuring 8,654 meter and 9,345 meter were cut off. Find the length of the remaining wire. First, we have to add the length of first piece and the length of second piece. When we add, we get the answer 17,999 meter. Now, we have to subtract from the total length of wire. So, our answer will be 12,001 meter. 10, 11, 12 is also same. So, please do by yourself.